Hey there, busy bees! Today I'm going to share some quick and easy cooking hacks that'll save you time in the kitchen and make your meals delicious. Whether you're a pro or just starting out, these tips will make your life so much easier. Let's dive right in. First up, the one-pan wonder. If you're tight on time, one-pan meals are your best friend. Just toss your protein, veggies, and some seasoning onto a single baking sheet. Pop it in the oven and boom! You've got a complete meal with minimal cleanup. Perfect for those hectic weeknights. Next, let's talk about meal prepping. Spend a little time on the weekend chopping veggies, cooking grains, and portioning out proteins. Store them in the fridge, and you'll have ready-to-go ingredients for the whole week. It's like having your own personal sous chef. Now, here's a game-changer microwave magic. Yes, you can do more than just reheat leftovers in your microwave. Need to soften butter or melt chocolate? The microwave is your best buddy. You can even steam veggies in a snap. Just add a splash of water and cover with a damp paper towel. Quick, easy, and healthy. Got a sweet tooth? You can whip up a mug cake in just a couple of minutes. Mix flour, sugar, cocoa powder, a pinch of baking powder, milk, and oil in a mug. Microwave for about 90 seconds and voila! You've got a warm, gooey treat without the fuss. All right, let's not forget about leftovers. Transform them into something new and exciting. Leftover chicken can become a tasty salad, or mix it with some rice and veggies for a quick stir-fry. Get creative and make your leftovers work for you. And finally, here's a tip for faster cooking. Preheat everything. Preheat your oven, your pans, even your water for boiling. This can shave precious minutes off your cooking time. You'd be surprised how much faster dinner comes together with everything prepped and ready to go. So there you have it. Quick and easy hacks to make cooking less of a chore and more of a joy. Remember, the kitchen is your playground. Have fun with it. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more cooking hacks and recipes. Happy cooking, everyone! See you next time!